Suppose you're going to simulate a CFD project and you're not familiar with the method and the Fluent modules that are going to be used in your CFD simulation. So you should find a CFD project, insert master-cfd.com in your browser. There's two ways to purchase a CFD project with the comprehensive training movies. One is here, just click on the CFD shop button. And the other way is to choose the CFD shop section from the top of the page. Lots of categories are placed in the left side of the page to guide you how to obtain your desired CFD project. Click on your desirable category. After that, you will find some related projects. Click on the project that you want, that is the closest project to your favorite project. Then you can see a short abstract about the project that you are going to study, very fantastic prices, the project description, the geometry and mesh and how to design and mesh that, all the CFD simulation setting of the project, and also all required results are obtained in this CFD products. So you can easily just click on add to cart. Here is your cart that you can remove or add every desirable CFD product. Suppose you are going to buy this CFD product, but you're not sure about the CFD product quality, or you're not about sure that is this product suitable for you to help you and guide you to go on your CFD project or not. So there are some free products to check the service quality of this CFD shop. You can obtain all the free products, and as it is obvious, they are all free, including all simulation files and also training movies to check the quality. By the way, suppose that you're not able to find your favorite category at the left side of the page, so you can just click on this button to search every word that you have in your mind. And if you're going to buy a product and you cannot find in this CFD shop, you can order your product to be ready by the Master CFD experts by click on the online support or call on WhatsApp. To benefit from Master CFD services including simulation, consultation, and training, contact our experts via info@mastercfd.com.